approach to multi-angle trig equations. Solve sine of 3 theta equals 1/2 for theta between 0 degrees, 360 degrees, including 0 degrees, but not 360. Since we set 3 theta, that's just a multi-angle. Let's think about a single angle. Let's set u equals 3 theta. So sine of u equals 1/2, and we know that sine of u is positive, so it's going to be u is in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. In quadrant 1, u is 30 degrees. In quadrant 2, u is 150. Let's think about all the coterminal angles. So we're going to add every angle to 360. So we're going to indicate this by adding 360k to both of them. Now, since u was 3 theta, we'll put that back in. So 3 theta equals 30 degrees plus every angle is 360. Since we want theta by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 3. So theta is equal to 10 degrees plus every angle is 120. Since we're only finding angles between 0 degrees to 360 degrees, then let's write our answer. We have 10 degrees is our first angle. We're going to add 120 to get 130 and add 120 to get 250. If you add 120 one more time, you get 370, which is more than 360. And now we look at u on the other side. U equals 150 plus 360k. Again, that was 3 theta. We're going to divide both by 3. So we get theta equals 50 degrees plus 120k. If we write this, we get 50 degrees plus 120 is 170 plus another 120, we get 290. If you want to organize it, here's all the solutions: 10, 50, 130, 170, 250, and 290 degrees. Do note that u and 3 theta are in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. However, it does not mean that theta is in quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. If you look at our solution, we notice theta is in quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thank you.